Hello, my name is Dunker, and this is my bike. Today, I'm trying something I've never tried before. I am going to the gun show. This guy right here. It's taking place in the Indian River County Fairgrounds. Looks like there's a classic car show here too. I've seen a lot of older vehicles come in. This is kind of cool. See you, Pinky. Be right back. Okay. Ooh, a little line. I just wanted to check it out. I've never been to one of these before.
Oh, they're nice. Lots of fun stuff.
Right, yeah. I bet this would be the safest place in the whole county.
Yeah.
For the weekend.
You had it right there.
He was doing community service, tackled him when he came in the door. He tackled him, and then the people kind of joined in. He was arrested, taken to jail, and they...
PTSD victims better take their meds. Pretty interesting.
Yeah, right?
Interesting that they'd have a Guy Fawkes mask mixed in with that. Huh.
Check out the gun.
And just because I'm at a gun show doesn't mean I need to stop playing Ingress. There's a portal here. There was this adorable little girl who invited me on her truck.
Oh, okay. That's cool. Oh, there's a helicopter ride.
And just behind the military area was the auto show.
Pretending that you're still alive.
There's lots of really cool cars here.
They also had helicopter rides. I'm sure they were quite expensive.
It's all lit up. It's pretty cool.
And on the way out, I took a quick look at the vendor tables.
That was an interesting experience. I wasn't there very long to see much, but give me a little idea of what shows like this are like. Okay, here we go. On the road again. I wasn't nervous around all those guns, but it was a unique experience. I've never been around that many armed people before, and they all seemed. I was surprised. I totally expected to have my backpack searched and stuff, and they just took my $8 and let me in. I want to try something a little new here. I'm going to take some video of my face while I ride. Hello. There's supposed to be a picture-in-picture ability. So let me get into this left lane. Traffic. Okay, let's get going over to this intersection. Okay. Woo. Okay, let's see. I'm never tried this before. I hope I can do picture-in-picture so you can see my face and the road. My email address is dunkerbike@gmail.com and the website is dunkerbike.com. So, till next time, peace.